Hello, welcome to MIT.
It's moving day! Come move into my MIT dorm with me. As you can see, it was a whole family affair.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
My dad and my brother were my interior design team and completely rearranged all the furniture. This was a super temporary layout though, and my room actually looks completely different now. Let me know if you want a dorm tour of the final setup. After dumping everything in my room, we made the mandatory stop to the MIT merch store to transform everyone into MIT ambassadors.
怎么样？这帽子太怪了。还是红的。
红的好看，大狗喜欢红的，再给我戴一下。这俩是一样啊？
然后你拿了那个，这个也是透一下。
行吗？学校的吉祥物，新种的吉祥物。
Hello。
我天哪 ！So much MIT.
Okay, this was a little embarrassing at the time, but I could tell that my family was really proud, so it simply had to be done.
Mommy.
Hello, MIT.
Hello. Welcome to MIT.
Please photo session time.
Oh, 美国的 Costco 去转一转，澳洲的 Costco 卡，进去看看我挺
Headed to Costco to get the rest of my dorm supplies. Costco croissants are very good. Oh ho ho!
还是你啊？
哦哟，小品出来了，满满一大车。
给我一人给我带着拍一张，我从来没买过这么多东西，我的妈呀！
We've shopped so long, it is now dark. Oh my gosh. Wow.
方便不？
Oh my gosh, today has been an absolute day. We went to MIT, the campus, for the first time. Woo, representing the school. We went and did some Costco shopping and Target shopping. Just like all the little knickknacks that you wouldn't even think of, like toilet paper, tissues, knives. I don't have a pan yet, don't have dishwashing liquid yet, but you know what to do. And then we got into a car accident, which was crazy. It was so unexpected because we were just backing out of Costco, and then another car like reversed at the same time and hit the headlight of our car, and it was just very like random and shocking. So had to deal with that, had to call the car rental place, do all the insurance claim stuff. We did pay for insurance though, so hopefully everything is all good, and the car rental place will just chase up the guy. Should be minor damages, no injuries. It was all just very like random, and the guy was so chill about it too. He was just kind of like, let me get your details, I'll run it by insurance. And we were kind of just like, okay, let us get your details too and we'll call the rental place, and all good. I guess. Anyway, I will give you a tour of my place. Excuse the mess, still trying to figure out where everything goes. But here we have kitchen and then the bathroom, which is empty at the moment, but we have toilet paper, hurrah. And then as you go in, this is the main bedroom area. My dad and my younger brother helped organize all of this earlier, so that's why I still need to figure out all the bedding and stuff. Just done my first load of laundry, so that will be coming soon. And then I'm just gonna try to get all of this sorted tonight so that I have somewhere to sleep. And this is the closet area. So came with furniture. I have my drawers, need to fill that all in. I'm thinking that's a sweatpants drawer, that's why that's open at the moment. And we have hangers that I bought today, need to get all of my suits and stuff up. There's a pile of my shoes on the floor, so I need to get a shoe rack, figure out where that goes. I think I have like 20 minutes before my laundry load is up. I would love for this to be one of those like aesthetic reset vlogs, but this is really not that. It's like 12:30. It's really hitting Delulu hours now, so I'm just going to try and get everything set up so I can sleep and then leave a lot of this other crap for tomorrow. It felt really wrong hopping on the bed in outside clothes, so we have had a surprise home clothes outfit change. In the fitted sheets. I also don't have pillows yet. It's okay. It's fine. Honestly, I give up at this point. My quilt is my quilt and sheets are not actually going to fit this bed because they're technically for a queen and I have a full XL. So we're just going to like make do, but it's fine. This was purposeful because like I like to cocoon when I sleep, so I like having a larger blanket anyway. So this is this, and then I will have a quilt cover for this in the next 2 days. Thank you, Amazon Prime.
I just wanted to quickly show you my puffin socks. These are from Angie and Michael from Iceland.
Okay, I think that's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna go wash up and sleep, and I will catch you guys another time. Bye!
Okay, love you, bye!
That's so cool.
It follows you.
Hello.